Hello friends, Namaste, welcome to Physio Yogi. So today I am going to teach you how to do 8-fold, and after watching this video you will never do a mistake on 8-fold. So there are only 3 reasons you can't do a correct 8-fold. First one, if you don't know the correct technique and you do a mistake. Second, if you don't have enough strength to get into 8-fold. And third, and very rare, where you have a very stiff middle back to perform 8-fold. So we are going to cover all the 3, so try to watch entire video. Let us start. First, let us see the common mistakes. So first, very common mistake while doing 8-fold, they drop their chin and a chest too very close to their knees. So where they getting to a very uncomfortable pose, where it will be difficult to breathe and very difficult to come out of that pose. So second mistake, where they drop their chin and chest too very far from their knees, where they lose the curvature of 8-fold and they almost lie down on their abdomen. Third mistake, where they open their elbows sideways while getting into 8-folds. So please try to avoid these mistakes while performing 8-fold. Now let us see how does a correct 8-fold look like. You have to drop your chin slightly far from your fingers and chest in between your palms, somewhat like this. You have to tuck your arms close to your body, having a nice 8-fold curvature, where your pelvis and abdomen is off your mat, having a good space between them. So now let us look into a second reason, where due to a weakness in upper body they cannot drop into 8-fold. So generally it happens for a women. So where while getting into 8-fold, instead of going down slowly with control, after reaching halfway their body just drops because their arms doesn't have enough strength. So to build up a strength, I'll show you few exercises. Our first exercise will be high plank. So where you have to hold your body flat on your both the palms and toes. So this will help you to strengthen your arms and a shoulder, which will make your 8-fold easy. So our second exercise will be elbow plank. So same thing you have to do on your elbows. You have to push your elbows away from you. So this will help you to strengthen especially your shoulders and upper back, necessary to perform 8-fold. So our last and very important exercise, from tabletop position, you have to bend your elbows and bring your body as low as possible without dropping it down completely. So move it up and down as many times as you can, will help you to build your arm muscle strength, especially triceps. And after doing it for few times, you can also go half down and hold that pose for as long as possible, will help you to build a nice strength in your upper limb. So till you get a strength in your upper body, you can practice your 8-fold this way. So where you have to tuck your toes in, slide your knees up and lift your pelvis up and get into 8-fold. If you are not comfortable doing this, you can also do the 8-fold by tucking your toes in and sliding your upper body back, lifting your pelvis up. And if you want to make it even more better, you can move your upper body and knees together simultaneously, giving a nice arch. Now finally, we'll see for the people who doesn't have a good flexibility at their middle back. So for them, I'll teach few exercises. So first exercise, you have to come on your elbows like this. So where your elbows should come right below your shoulders, your arms should come vertical and stay there. If possible, look up. So if your middle back is stiff, you will find a nice compression at your middle back. If possible, look up. So once you practice this for a few days, you are comfortable with this pose. In the same pose, you can lift your elbows up any possible, lift your head up and look up. So this will help you to open your middle back, which is very necessary to do 8-fold. So after practicing this, you must lie down on your abdomen to relax your back. So I hope you have liked the videos. If so, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.